So I do a quick video about the basement ceiling. So years before we had built the house, was in a restaurant and I noticed how they had painted everything black up above, and it really disguised a lot of the pipes and everything, but yet you still had access. So you can see the black, you really can't see it in the video, it just really doesn't show up. But then I thought, well, let's add some design later on. And by the way, painting it all black was a lot of work because we did it by hand. So then I decided to add a little design in this area. And I made these pieces of wood. I don't even know what you'd call it, just a wood frame kind of thing. And some are thicker than others, some are different sizes. And this whole area, we just put them on the ceiling to give you this effect around the stairs area. So that's an idea for people to consider. It is hard holding them up and screwing them in because you're putting them in at an angle to try to get the floor joists like right up in there. So it is a challenge. I recommend having a stick or something, but since these are different thicknesses, that's kind of an issue. So you really need 2 or 3 people, 2 people to hold it and the other person to pilot the screws in. First you got to figure out where the screws are going to be, so you have to like mark it, bring it down, put it back up. So it's not easy. It's kind of hard on the arms, but it gives you a pretty cool effect for the ceiling. So a little ceiling design to go with the stained glass lighting.